Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fillable document here in Google Docs. So first you want to open up an empty document here in Google Docs, and then over here at the top, you want to click on Insert. Then you're going to click on Table. Then I'm going to insert a 1x4 table just to show you the example. But after this, you can go ahead and insert how many rows or columns based on what you need. And then I'm going to click on this line over here. Then I'm just going to go ahead and adjust it. Then I'm going to do the same for the third column. Then in the first column, I'm just going to write name. Then for the other, I'm going to put date. Then I'm going to click on anywhere at the edge of the table. And then I'm going to right click on it. And then I'm going to locate table options down here. Then under color, click on it. And then I'm going to change the table border into white. Close the tab. And then I'm going to hover over at the second column. Then I'm going to click on the bottom line. Then I'm going to change the color back to black. Then I'm going to do the same for the other. And there you go. You can go ahead and fill this up. So that's it. Thanks for watching.